Have you ever had a small problem at home and thought, I wish there was an easy fix for this? Maybe something in the kitchen, a smell in the fridge, or a quick cleaning issue? What if some of the solutions were already sitting right in your kitchen cabinets? A few simple items you use every day might be more useful than you realize. Most people don't think of their kitchen as a place for home solutions. We usually see it as a place to cook meals and store food. But many everyday kitchen items can actually help solve common problems around the house. In this video, we're going to talk about easy home fixes using kitchen items you probably already have. These ideas are simple, affordable, and quick to try. By the end of this video, you might start looking at your kitchen as a small toolkit for everyday life. Let's start with a problem almost everyone deals with at some point: unpleasant smells in the fridge. Over time, different foods can mix together and create odors that are hard to ignore. One simple trick many people use is placing a small bowl of baking soda in the fridge. Baking soda is known for helping absorb odors rather than just covering them up. After a day or two, many people notice the fridge smells much fresher. It's a small fix that takes almost no effort but makes a big difference. Another common problem is fruit and vegetables not lasting long enough. Many people throw away produce because it spoils too quickly. One helpful habit is washing certain fruits and vegetables, drying them well, and storing them properly with a paper towel in the container. The paper towel helps absorb extra moisture, which can slow down spoilage. Small changes like this can help food last longer and reduce waste. Over time, this can save money and make meal planning easier. Now let's talk about cutting boards and kitchen surfaces. After chopping garlic, onions, or fish, the smell can stick around longer than we want. A simple fix some people use is rubbing the surface with lemon and a little salt. This combination can help break down strong odors and leave a fresh scent behind. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require strong cleaning products for minor situations. Many home cooks rely on this trick after preparing strong-smelling foods. Here's another easy home fix using a very common kitchen item: vinegar. Many people use vinegar mixed with water to wipe down certain surfaces like countertops or glass. It can help remove light residue and leave surfaces looking cleaner. It's also a popular option for cleaning small kitchen appliances or areas that collect water spots. While it's not meant to replace deep cleaning products, it works well for quick refreshes. A lot of people like it because it's simple and easy to prepare. Another everyday problem is trying to keep the kitchen smelling fresh after cooking strong meals. Foods like fried dishes, onions, or spices can linger in the air for hours. A trick some people use is simmering citrus peels with a cinnamon stick in water. As the steam rises, it spreads a warm, pleasant smell throughout the kitchen. This can quickly change the atmosphere of the room. It's especially helpful when guests are coming over or when you just want your home to feel fresher. Let's also talk about greasy pans or dishes that are hard to clean. Sometimes regular washing feels like it takes a lot of scrubbing. One simple method many people use is soaking the pan in warm water with a little baking soda. After sitting for a while, the grease often becomes easier to remove. This can save time and effort during cleanup. And when cleaning feels easier, people are more likely to keep their kitchen organized. There's another small home fix that people overlook: keeping pantry items protected and organized. Some people place bay leaves in containers of rice, flour, or pasta. The natural scent may help discourage certain pantry pests. Even if you've never tried this before, it's a simple habit many home cooks like to use. It only takes a few seconds but can add extra peace of mind when storing dry foods. Kitchen items can also help with healthy habits, not just cleaning or storage. For example, keeping a bowl of fresh fruit visible on the counter can encourage better snack choices. When healthy food is easy to see and grab, people are more likely to eat it. Small changes in the home environment can influence daily routines more than we realize. Sometimes the easiest way to build better habits is simply making healthy options more convenient. Here's the big insight many people discover after trying these simple tricks. The real value of kitchen items isn't just in cooking meals, it's in how they can solve small everyday problems quickly and naturally. When people start using what they already have at home, life becomes a little simpler. You don't always need special tools or expensive products to fix common issues. Often, the solution is already sitting in your kitchen.
This mindset can change how you approach everyday problems. Instead of searching for complicated solutions, you start looking for simple ones first. And surprisingly, those are often the ones that work best. So, the next time you face a small problem at home, take a quick look in your kitchen before trying anything else. Baking soda, lemons, vinegar, cinnamon, and even simple storage habits can help solve many everyday issues. These easy home fixes can save time, reduce waste, and make your space feel more comfortable. Simple solutions often lead to better routines. A fresher kitchen, longer-lasting food, and easier cleaning can make daily life feel a lot smoother. And the best part is, you can start trying these ideas right away. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy health, home, and kitchen ideas that actually work. I share simple tips that help make everyday living easier and healthier. Now, I'd like to ask you something. What's one kitchen item you've used to solve a home problem before? Let me know in the comments.